Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how are you all feeling? Good?
Good.
Good? Nice. This is Uncle Kent here, everybody. And I think our vacation just started. Jerron, say hello.
Our vacation started yesterday.
It did. But I think I settled now enough to record it. Jerron, wave.
When you're ready to go.
Jerron, get idea.
Yes.
Jerron, have
Where we heading to now?
We're going to DSW and Ross.
DSW and Ross. Okay, so you're playing. Let me see what you built. Just explain it to me. Wow.
A big tower.
A big tower. Nice.
She gave me plenty looks. That's why I know this is a big tower.
Alright, very good. Bye bye. Wave bye bye.